Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Leo English Podcast Channel. This is the place where learning English feels like a conversation with a friend. I am Leo, and today I have a very special guest with me. Say hello, Anna.
Hello, Leo, and hello to everyone listening. I am so happy to be here today.
Anna, before we start, I have one very important question for you.
Oh, what is it?
Did you have breakfast this morning?
Yes, I did. Why do you ask?
Because today we are talking about hobbies, and one of them is cooking. And I always think better when I am not hungry.
That is very good logic, Leo.
Thank you. I practice. So, what is a hobby? A hobby is something you do for fun. You do it in your free time. Not for work, not for school, just for you. Maybe you like to draw, or sing, or go for a walk. That is your hobby. And today, Anna and I will talk about our hobbies, and we will tell you some very real, very funny stories along the way. But first, if you enjoy this podcast, please click the like button and subscribe to Leo English channel. It helps us so much. And share this with a friend who is learning English. Learning together is always more fun.
Okay, Leo, let's start. Tell me, what is your hobby?
My hobby is cooking. I love being in the kitchen.
Oh, that's great. Can you cook well?
Most of the time, yes. But last week, not so much.
Tell me everything.
Okay, so I wanted to make a chocolate cake. A big, beautiful chocolate cake. I had all the ingredients: flour, eggs, butter, and chocolate. I was ready.
That sounds perfect. What happened?
Well, I was also listening to music, and I started dancing a little in the kitchen,
Of course you did.
and I saw some white powder on the table. I thought, that must be sugar. So I put 2 full cups of it into the cake.
And was it sugar?
It was salt. 2 cups of salt in a chocolate cake.
Oh no, Leo.
I took 1 bite, and my face did this. I cannot show you my face in a podcast, but imagine the most shocked face you have ever seen.
I can imagine it perfectly.
I had to throw the whole cake away. It was very sad, but I learned something important that day.
Always check the label.
Always. Okay, Anna, you heard my story. Now it is your turn. What do you like to do for fun?
I love photography, taking pictures.
Ooh, nice. Do you have a big professional camera?
No, just my phone. But I think a good eye is more important than an expensive camera.
I agree. What do you like to take pictures of?
Nature. Flowers, trees, birds, the sky. Last Saturday, I went to a big park near my house. It was sunny and beautiful.
That sounds like a perfect day.
It was almost perfect. I saw a small red bird sitting on a branch. It was the most beautiful bird I have ever seen. I moved very slowly. I held up my phone. I was ready to take the perfect photo.
And?
My phone died. 0% battery.
No!
The bird flew away. The perfect moment. Gone. Just like that.
That is heartbreaking, Anna.
A little, yes. But Leo, you know what? I still remember that bird. The memory is still there, even without the photo.
That is actually quite beautiful. The best photos are sometimes in our minds.
Exactly. And I always charge my phone now before I go out.
A very important lesson.
Leo, do you have any other hobbies? Something more active?
I do. I like walking. Long walks in nature, forests, parks, rivers.
That is very healthy. Do you ever get lost?
Anna, why would you ask that specific question?
Because I think there's another story coming.
2 weeks ago, I went to a new forest, a big, beautiful green forest. I did not bring a map because I thought, I am smart. I will find my way.
Famous last words.
I walked and walked. I saw flowers. I saw a river. I felt very happy. But then the sun started to go down, and every tree looked the same. I was walking in circles.
Oh no, were you scared?
A little nervous, yes. I tried my phone. No signal, no internet, nothing. Just me and the trees.
What did you do?
Then I heard a sound. Woof, woof. A big friendly dog appeared, and behind the dog was a man with a flashlight. He looked at me and said, "Are you lost?"
And what did you say?
I said, "No, I'm just admiring this tree. It's a very interesting tree."
Leo.
He knew I was lost. He walked me back to my car. I thanked him. I thanked the dog, too.
The dog saved your life.
Honestly, a little bit, yes.
Leo, your stories are incredible. Salt cake, lost in the forest. You have an interesting life.
Every day is an adventure, Anna.
You know, I think that's actually the best thing about hobbies. They give you stories, they give you memories, and sometimes they teach you a lesson.
Always label your salt and sugar. Always charge your phone. Always bring a map.
Exactly. But the most important thing is just to try. You don't need to be perfect at your hobby. Leo is not a perfect cook,
Not yet.
and I'm not a perfect photographer, but we enjoy it, and that's enough.
Hobbies are our happy time. They help us relax. They help us feel like ourselves again.
And if you're listening to this podcast, then your hobby right now is learning English. And that's a wonderful hobby.
It really is. You are using your free time to grow. That's something to be proud of. Everyone, thank you so much for listening today. Before you go, we have one question for you. What is your hobby? Leave a comment below. Tell us, my hobby is... We read every comment, and we love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who is learning English. New episodes come every week, and we will have more stories, more conversations, and more English practice for you.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.